Hello everyone, my name is Emily Johnson and I recently signed up under the company FARMASi as a beauty influencer. This is something very new to me. I've signed up under direct sales companies before, but not with the intention to really sell the product, more just as a discount. So this is taking me way out of my comfort zone. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. I know that if I stay focused and push myself, that I will go far and I will succeed my goals. So that's what I'm trying to do. As nervous as I am very excited. So FARMASi is very new to the United States. FARMASi was founded back in 2010 in Turkey and just last year launched in the United States. FARMASi is a direct sales company that has high quality skincare and cosmetics with the European standards. And if you guys know anything about the European standards versus United States standards, European standards are by far way better than United States standards. Whenever I started hearing about FARMASi, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was too good to be true with all of the benefits that I was hearing about it. So I decided to do some research myself and found out that it is not just too good to be true. It's a really good opportunity to jump into, especially with how new it is to the United States. And some of the reasons why I decided to choose FARMASi, there's a $19.99 startup fee, and that gets you your starter kit. So you pay $19.99 and you immediately are active as a beauty influencer. You start off with a website and you immediately start getting your discount. So the discount as a beauty influencer is 50% off of your products right off the bat. 50% off whatever you want. It doesn't matter if it's makeup, it doesn't matter if it's skincare. There's a men's care line, a baby line, there's nail polish, there's hair products. It doesn't matter what you order, you get that 50% off right off the bat. You don't have to rank, you don't have to have a certain amount of people on your team, a certain amount of sales. Just boom, right there you sign up and you start getting 50% off. So whenever I read that and heard that, I was like, what in the world is this? And I need more information. That's when I started doing a lot of research and just thought, why not? This sounds like an amazing opportunity, and if I try my hardest, I could go really far with the business and have amazing opportunities ahead of me. So on top of the $20 kit, you immediately start getting the 50% discount. You get 50% commission off of all of your personal sales. So if you sell $100 worth of product, your commission is $50. If you sell $1,000 worth of product, your commission is $500. You don't have to rank again. Same thing with the discount. You don't have to rank. You don't have to sell a certain amount of product. You don't have to have a certain amount of people on your team. You immediately start getting that 50% commission. I hope all of that made sense. I feel like I kind of rambled for a little while, but that's basically why I decided to choose FARMASi. I miss making videos on YouTube. I love doing makeup, so why not just dive in and give it a try? Who knows what may happen? I'm excited. So there's my spiel on FARMASi. Like I said, I hope all of that makes sense. But now that I've told you guys about FARMASi and why I signed up, I'm going to show you guys what you receive in your $20 starter kit. So it comes in a box like this, and it's a little magnetic closure, so you could store stuff in here. You could even put your makeup in here if you wanted to. I took everything out so I could show you. You get some samples and then you get some materials to jumpstart your business. So the samples are going to vary depending on what they have on stock. But this is what I received with my starter kit. So I got their Stay Matte foundation. I have this actual bottle in 05. 05 is a little too dark for me during these winter months. So I tried the 04 today, and I feel like it's a perfect match. So I'm happy that I have these samples to try. It's really nice, and these are really good for you to try on customers that are interested in the products. You can give them a little sample to try out, and then they can come back if they like it. Another sample that I received is this garlic shampoo, which sounds really weird, garlic shampoo, but garlic promotes growth. So this garlic shampoo is going to give you hair growth. It's going to give you new growth. So if you're wanting to grow out your hair, get healthier hair, then this is the way to go. It came with 2 revitalizing shampoos and then a revitalizing hair mask and a revitalizing hair oil. Holy. The revitalizing hair mask is a conditioner. In Europe, conditioner is hair mask. So whenever you're on our website, you're not going to find conditioner. If you're wanting a conditioner, you're going to want to look up hair mask, and that's what you're going to want to order and use as the conditioner. So just a little FYI, I didn't know that at first, but now I do. And then it also came with our massage gel. I've heard really good things about these, especially for athletes, runners, just people with sore muscles. This is a really good massage gel to try out. It's gonna give you like that menthol feel, if you've ever used like menthol massage oils or anything like that. And then the last sample, just kidding, I have one more. I also got this calendula oil sample set. Comes with a hand cream, 2 face creams, and a sleeping mask. Unfortunately, I found out that our sleeping mask is no longer available. So I don't even know if I want to try that, because more than likely I'm going to love it and not be able to get it, but that's okay. The calendula oil is going to be really good for sensitive skin. The skincare line is good for all types of skin, but if you have sensitive skin, you're going to want to try this calendula skincare line. So I haven't tried any of this out. Actually, I'm just going to do it right now. Why not? I heard really good things about the hand cream, and a lot of people have been talking about the scent being like really light and a beautiful scent. So I'm curious, because if it's for sensitive skin, sorry, I'm getting scissors. If it's for sensitive skin, you don't want it to be too full of scent, because a lot of people that have sensitive skin are sensitive to smells. Okay. So let's try this out. Okay. Oh, apparently I'm hungry, if you guys heard that. Okay, so yeah, it's a very light, clean smell. So definitely not overpowering at all. It smells really nice. Okay. I like it. Oh my gosh. You guys might hear my stomach the rest of the video. I apologize. It feels very nice. It's not greasy. It's like a thicker texture. I like it. Okay, so the calendula oil line. And then the last set of samples that I got are some lipstick samples. So this little set right here. This consists of the matte lipstick, our true color lipstick, and our intense color lipstick. Just a random assortment of colors. And I am wearing number 27, their matte lipstick. That's what I'm wearing right now. I really like the way it looks. So something else that comes in your kit is these bags. These are perfect for using on your customers if they order product from you. This would be fun for like little giveaways, to include them in, or to put them in these bags. It comes with a couple, and then online, if you sign up as a beauty influencer, you have the option to buy more of those as well. It comes with this opportunity book. This is just filled with all kinds of information that is super important for you to read to help you succeed in your pharmacy business. So this explains definitions of different words that we use, personal volume, group volume. This will explain the compensation plan, and this gives you a lot of information on the business, or on the company, and how to run your business. This is a skincare guide. So happy it came with this. This has some really good information for you. If you have a customer that's coming to you asking you about really oily skin, you're gonna know, okay, I need to look for the skincare line that has information on really oily skin, tea tree oil skincare line, and you're gonna be able to give them that information and tell them what they can use to help take care of that. This has all of our skincare in it. Really good information. So I'm excited to learn more about this. With is our catalogs. You receive 5 catalogs that you can hand out to people. You know, you'll want to keep one for yourself to reference back to, but on one side it has all of our makeup products, hair, men's, baby, and then you flip it over and it has our skincare line. I was going through this catalog looking at the prices of everything. I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but the prices for FARMASi's products are exceptionally affordable. You get high quality products for reasonable prices. Prices is another thing that pulled me in and just made me really excited for this business. I did some research. I was curious how expensive words are hard. I was curious what the most expensive makeup product that we have is and most expensive skincare product that we have is. So I looked it up. The most expensive makeup product that we have right now in this catalog is going to run you $32.90. It is our terracotta porcelain powder. It looks like this, and like I said, it is $32.90. So anything else in the makeup line is less than the $32.90, which is insane to me. I think it's incredible. So for our skincare options, our Botox in a box, which is going to run you $49.90. I thought that was interesting to look up and figure out for you guys, just to give you an idea of how affordable our products are, but you're not going to be receiving cheap, it's not cheap quality, it's high quality products for an affordable price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. You can message me. I'll have all of my links below for information, including my website if you need to order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.